So in BPDCN, there are several agents that are being evaluated currently. One area of agents are the CD123 targeting agents. So Tagraxofusp is the approved agent, approved both in the United States and in Europe, which is an interleukin-3 diphtheria toxin fusion protein. It targets CD123 because the interleukin-3 binds to CD123. That's the receptor. We are lucky in BPDCN that CD123 is also expressed on many cases of AML, as well as some other hematologic malignancies. So there are various pharma and biotech companies that are developing other CD123 agents with the overall goal of maybe applying it to multiple blood cancers, but we have the added benefit that BPDCN expresses very high levels of CD123, and so many of those agents are being tested also in the BPDCN space. One of those to mention specifically is IMGN 632, which has recently been named Pivekimab sunirine, which is a monoclonal antibody recognizing CD123 that is conjugated to a chemotherapy drug, so a more traditional antibody-drug conjugate, if you will. The data have been presented in treatment of relapsed BPDCN a few years ago, which led to FDA breakthrough designation, it's called, which means sort of a special review of the data with that agent moving forward. And we are still waiting for the frontline data, so first-line treatment of patients, which we're expecting to come in 2024. But we will also review some of the data that's been presented with IMGN 632, and also mention some of the other CD123 agents that are in development. And finally, I'll just mention that Venetoclax, which is of course approved in patients with AML, has quite a bit of activity in patients with BPDCN. And so Venetoclax is being evaluated in combination with other agents in several currently enrolling clinical trials.